Welcome to How To YouTube channel. Python is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming languages today. Whether you are a student, a data professional, or an experienced developer, Python is something for everyone. In this video, we will cover the basics, what Python is, its key features, and your first program. So what is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level language known for its simple syntax and readability. It is easy to learn and easy to use, and it comes with huge set of libraries that makes coding faster. Now let's jump into our first Python program. Our very first Python program is Hello World. So open your editor and just type print hello world. Then run the code. The output will be hello world, and just like that you have written your first Python program. Let's move to the next concept, variables and data types. In any program, you first create a variable and assign values. In Python, it's very simple. Just write the variable name and the value. For example, let's take a as a variable and assign it to the value 10. Then assign 5 to the variable b. Now let's print them. Just type print a comma b and run the code. The value of a and b are displayed. Now let's add them together. Instead of typing a comma b, use the plus operator. Print a plus b and run the code. The output will be 15. And that's addition in Python. You can also try with other operators like minus, star, and division.